Here's the question. Is Google Workspace, which is basically paid subscription for Gmail, is it worth it? Let me explain to you what you get with Google Workspace, and then I'll give you my opinion as to whether or not it's worth it. So I'm on our workspace.google.com site. Down here you can see, by the way, as I said earlier, with Google Workspace, you get everything that you get for free with Gmail. You get all of this free for free Gmail, free Drive, free Meet. You get a gmail.com account. You get all of this for free. What you get more when you pay for Google Workspace, a minimum of $6 per month per user, $72 a year per user, you get these added features. You get a business email address. My business is burrisconsulting.com. burrisconsulting.com has an email domain. Teddy at Burris Consulting, Rebecca at Burris Consulting, Betty at Burris Consulting. We all have business email addresses. We wouldn't have that if we weren't subscribing to Google Workspace. We also can have meetings with 100 people on it. Don't do that very often. Done it once, but I can have up to 100 people on a video meeting. Additionally, across the 3 users, we get 30 gigs of pooled storage space per user. 3 users times 30, that's 90 gigabytes of Google Drive space for us to share. I use the bulk of that. My wife uses a little bit. Betty uses almost none. That's a lot of Google Drive storage. I get Gemini app. I get the basics of Gemini app, the AI assistant, with my subscription. I like it. It's interesting. I prefer some of the other AI tools I use, but I do get access to Gemini's app. I get security and management controls at the domain level, not just the email level. I can actually shut down email messages coming into the domain. I can shut down email domains, other email domains, and so they don't get into my domain. So that can be useful. And the last big thing I get is I get access to Google support. I get access to Gmail support. It's all done through, for the most part, through chat, and it works well for me, but I have had telephone support as well. I get this all through Google Workspace. You don't get these things with Gmail if you have a free Gmail account. Is it worth it? Yes, for me and my business. If you have a business, if you're building a business, I urge you to get a Google Workspace domain. At the very least, the business starter, so you can have a business email address, you can have shared storage, and you can have Google support for your domain. It's up to you. You get all this for free. However, if you're building a business, having a business email domain can be a very important thing to have.